Alright, so for today we're going to be working with the 5 built-in Python string methods, which are upper, lower, strip, replace, and split. So to start off, let us declare our variable, which we can call modify strings. And then let's start off with the upper method. Let's do upper, our x dot upper to convert we gotta save, then do it, to convert all of the characters to uppercase. And then for the lower, basically the same thing, except it's lower instead of upper, and that converts all the characters to lowercase. So now let's use strip. Strip basically removes all white space from the beginning and the end of a string. So we can include some spaces here and include some over here to initiate where to start and begin. Then we can run it, and you can see it removed all the white space that was here and all the white space that was here, but it did not remove the white space here or here, because like I said, it will only remove the white space that's at the beginning of the string and at the end. So now let's move on to replace. So replace will take 2 arguments to execute. So we can do, let's see, we can modify m, and we can replace it with j. Then save, we can run, and then it says modify strings instead of modify. It's a pretty cool function or method. And then last but not least, let's work with split. So split, we basically give it a character, and whatever part of the string that character has, it will then split the string into 2. So let's just split it at the comma, and then run, and then you can see it splits modify and strings into its own. Thank you for watching, and if you need any assistance or anything, my GitHub is linked in my YouTube. So thank you for watching, have a good day.